All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Again, as always, I'm probably gonna put all the beginning clips of me trying to figure this out, but today is a new day and we're going to actually get the tint done. We're like a 45-minute drive. My sister is coming with me and I don't know, we're gonna go figure it out. I don't know how much tint I'm going to do. Initially, I wanted to do 5% tint again, but I might just do 15 all around. I don't know yet. I don't want to do 5% tint again just because I don't want 5 on the sides and then in the front I don't want to have like 15. I want it to all be equal around. So we might just do 15 all around. I have a friend, the one who has a Tesla, who has 15 all around. And it actually looks pretty cool. So I don't know. We're going to figure it out. I'm going to pick up the camera once we're there because we still have a long way to get there. And I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, chat, so we're at the tint shop right now. We're about to put 15% ceramic tint all around, removing the cheap 5% tint that was on there from before. This is what it's looking like. That's it.
I was born for it, I was made for it. Working before I was paid for it. Ain't no finish line, I'm trying to race to it. I'ma run it after the tape torn. Can't be easing up, I keep the speed. I need that paper busting out the lean. I don't just love it, I'm a fiend.
Alright, chat, so we're still waiting for them to finish putting on the tint. This is what it's looking like. For some reason, it looks a little brighter, and I'm not entirely sure because at least I don't know how tint works, but normally ceramic is dark from the outside, clear from the inside, like way clear. But I'm a little confused. So I'm gonna wait for the finished product just to see what it looks like, but I'm a little skeptical. And yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so we just finished tinting the vehicle. This is what it's looking like. It has 15% all around. You can still see in some sections, like, Amanda, move closer. Like, you can see her face right there. It's not the darkest tint, but I feel like when I'm driving at night, it will be better. As you can see, you can still see her a little bit right there. I don't know. I don't know if I should have gone with 5%. I don't know also if it's because I'm in direct sunlight, but you could definitely see through it a lot more than I could with my 5%. With 5%, you couldn't see anything inside of it. So we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see. All right, so we finished the tint shop. We are now at Slap Burgers. I've never had it. We're about to try it. It looks hot fire, I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I got the double. We both got doubles with the fries. I don't know if this is the slap sauce or what it is. We about to find out, but I guess now food and car channel, baby. I'm gonna try the double patty. What? You do? Fire, bro. It's got the Dubai strawberry chocolate. This thing looks insane. How many calories do you think this has?
Too much for you, pal.
How much? You're a nutritionist, bro.
I'm not a nutritionist.
Come on,
I'm an
bro.
exercise scientist. And that's a big difference.
Come on, bro. Just guess.
How many calories this John has?
Yeah.
I don't even know what the hell this is.
Not 2,000.
Minimum 800? Nah, minimum, yeah.
I'm gonna have to walk 3 times as hard today and I did cardio. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're back home now. I'm gonna show you guys what the tint is looking like. This is what, I honestly don't even remember what the tint looked like before. I just know it looked purple, but this is what ceramic tint looks like. The camera isn't gonna do it justice. It is bright, or at least brighter than what it was before. Obviously, before I had like 5% tint, roughly. I don't even know what kind of tint, like what tint material they used, but this is what 15 ceramic looks like. It looks a little clearer on camera, but I'll show you from the outside. It definitely does look better, just because like you can barely see. There are some sections where like the sun hits it and you're able to see it better, like a little bit on the seats. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick it up, but this is what the final result looks like, and I think it looks super clean. I'm just waiting for the top section, if you guys can see that, to dry up. He said give it 5 days for that to all dry up, but overall though, I think it's solid. It looks great. I don't know what it looks like at night, so I will have to update you guys after. Hopefully it's better than what it was before. But other than that, listen, I'll see you guys in the next video. I owe you guys a bumper mod video. I have to get new wheels eventually. I want to put on the 2024 IS350 wheels. I have to paint the front bumper, get a new back bumper, lower the car. But this is all going to be done this year. So slow and steady, we're going to get there. But hey, listen, we got one thing off the checklist. We got rid of this hot garbage 5% cheap tint. And now we have the official new ceramic 15% tint. Huge shout out to the tint shop that did the tint for me. They gave me a really good price. All the information will be in the description if you want to get your tint. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.